My name's Christy Ingram. This is my Mindful Leadership Culture Assignment 7 PowerPoint. Part 1. Why do we fail to see the big picture? We focus only on ourselves, think only of things relevant to ourselves, only think of our own struggles, and fail to realize it could be worse. It's important to learn how to stop sweating the small stuff and stop seeking perfection in what we do. Number 2, what are your priorities? Mine would have to be my family, having a job to help support my family, and finishing my degree. It's important to focus on what really matters and enjoy the journey of getting there. I found this quote to be pretty interesting. It says, "The key is not to prioritize what's on your schedule, but to schedule your priorities," by Stephen Covey. Where's your opportunity to make a difference? How are you accomplishing this? I feel like I accomplish it at work with my coworkers and by being more helpful and speaking up at work if I don't agree with something or I feel that I have something to offer to what's going on, and by being more open to learning new things at work. Also, avoiding gossiping at work. It's very easy to talk about customers or even each other. Also, by helping keep the office area clean. There are more ways you can make a difference, such as sharing your story, volunteering, and acts of selflessness. Do you believe you've reached your full potential? Why or why not? Not at all. I want to be in a profession that I'm passionate about, which I'm not currently. And to do that, I have to finish my degree. And I think it's important realizing you can't just sit back and expect change to happen. Complacency really is the enemy. If you want something to change, then you've got to go after it and make the change happen. Potential, the will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential, these are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. This is a quote from Confucius. How great can you be? How do you intend to get there? What is holding you back? I feel like I can definitely be better. My biggest goal right now is to finish my degree and to work in the local college system. The main thing I feel like is really holding me back is myself. I am my own worst enemy. I have a lot of self doubt. I think on a regular that I am not smart enough to finish this degree. I constantly worry that I'm going to fail a class and that I've wasted money and going to have to take it over again. I think it's important to realize when talking about being great or being better, it's not about being better than someone else. It's really about being true to yourself and being just the best version of yourself that you can be. The following are my references for part 1. And now we go to part 2. How can mindfulness change the culture of an organization? One thing, it can lower employee stress levels. This can be achieved by going for walks inside the office or outside, practicing while you're walking, breathing deeply, and noticing each step taken. Also, sitting or lying down where you can enjoy some privacy, such as an empty meeting room or even outside in your vehicle. It also increases productivity by helping with a lack of distractions and enables better communication between employees. In turn, this causes retention to go up because employees are happy in the workplace. This is achieved by practicing mindfulness that helps keep our attention on the present moment instead of worrying about everything else. And I thought this little quote was pretty good. Mindfulness, strive to focus on the present. Just short, simple, really gets the point across. It also can be done by sharing positivity with colleagues, which improves the office environment. This can be done by leading by example, communicating the benefits of practicing mindfulness in the workplace, facilitating group activities, and offering recognition for those in the office that are embracing practicing the mindfulness during the day. And not monetary recognition, but just recognizing in the office that they are trying. It can improve productivity, and that's achieved by increasing the following: focus, attention, and behavior. Focus is the ability to avoid distraction, and attention, mindfulness helps stabilize a person's attention span. Mindfulness has also been shown to improve control, stability, and efficiency. And behavior, for instance, a study of General Mills senior executives showed that 80% said their decision making skills had improved. Mindfulness also helps with self regulation and decision making. It also creates a more relaxed atmosphere. This can be achieved by designing time for mindfulness. And you can do that personally by eating lunch by yourself, not bringing your phone or laptop so you're not distracted, eating slowly, taking time to actually finish and enjoy your meal, and even just taking 5 minutes out of your day to make your favorite cup of coffee or tea. And it really helps improve the work environment by reducing work life conflict and increasing satisfaction with their job. And this helps increase the retention in the workplace because if an employee is happy where they're at and enjoying their job, they're going to be more likely to stay long term instead of trying to find somewhere else that they're happier. And finally, these are my references for part two. Thank you.